you for supporting. In the one writes that Apple is preparing a major design of the Apple Watch 10 is scheduled to be launched in 2024 or 2025, in line with the device's 10th anniversary. The update will represent the biggest redesign of the watch ever, following several years of minor changes. The Apple Series Watch 9 this fall as well as will have a minor spec bump. Apple is trying to make the watch X thinner than ever, including a new magnetic attachment for moving bands. While Apple has released a new Apple Watch since its inception, plans to do so in the foreseeable future. Government says that internally Apple has had discussion of a slowing down year-on-year pace. This is underscored by Apple is adding fewer and fewer new features every year. The switch to a band-compatible sliding system to a new magnetic attachment is an effort to reduce space, potentially unlocking more internal space for the battery. The magnetic system would mean all existing bands will be incompatible. Government is not yet sure if the magnetic attach system will be used for the Watch X, but it is clear Apple is considering all sorts of radical solutions to dramatically re-engineer the watch. Other technologies is using the upcoming micro LED screen and blood pressure sensors. Apple Watch X will be as significant as a jump from iPhone 7 to the iPhone 10.